I've been waiting all night. Watch you blow a mile. Please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover loving, they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Please don't touch me like that, 'cause you know I'll react. Don't make me do this, I feel so foolish. No.
Here you like, oh look, I'm ready. Can I hurt myself if this is spinning and I stick my hand in?
325, yes you can.
Oh, breaking rules, and that's facts. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. If our friends knew undercover loving, they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do.
Can you see the shell?
No, because it's white. I use colorful.
Yep.
Or dishes.
Colorful. On the yep.
Here you go, shell. What you talking about?
Why you gonna put that nasty eggshell on the counter? Because then you gotta wipe the counter off.
I am gonna wipe the counter off. Okay, I wasn't as good as the other one, but no shell there.
It stays between.
I mean, push the bed. Hold. Don't drop it. Break my stuff. Carmelo, come get her.
I didn't know I was gonna do that.
Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. And I know that when you come along, I'll be sure. If it's wrong, then tell me that I'm wrong, I don't care. It makes me happy, and if you're happy, then let's be happy, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. It stays between me and you.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good right side. calls right. But I know that when I get home, I'll check in my phone. See what you want, see what you wrote, cause I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking how it's done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you, of you, of you. So tell me why I get this feeling now. Oh, tell me why I get this feeling now. Been a couple years that I'll be healing now. Been a couple years that I'll be healing now. I really didn't think I'd have to feel this now. Oh, like I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking how it's done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you, of you, of you, of you. I really didn't think I'd have to feel like this. 2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, you got me losing sleep. I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the